Today we are going to do a caldine, which can be made with fish or prawns. Today we are making it with prawns. It can also be used with vegetables, but it's a very simple curry. It's not a spicy curry. There's only green chili. There is no red chili at all. So even people who don't like too spicy can try this curry. And what we have here is we have the prawns, which have already been marinated with turmeric, salt and a little lemon juice. And we have coconut, of course, grated coconut, and green chilies, sliced onions, tomato and ginger garlic, and we have coconut milk, which we add at the end of the curry. So now we start by, here we are going to grind freshly grated coconut, and we will grind it along with the caldine masala. Okay. So a tablespoon of the caldine masala, and we will add sufficient water. And to this we will add some ginger garlic paste. Which will all be ground together. Now the traditional way of making caldine is that you grind everything and then you strain it, and only the strained part of the liquid is used. But these days, since coconut is so expensive, I prefer to use the entire coconut rather than throwing it away. So now the paste is ready. A little bit of oil, about a tablespoon of oil. If you use coconut oil, it will give it a better flavor. Adding the onions. And we'll use a little bit of salt in the onion, so the onions cook faster. To this we'll add some green chilies. Green chilies is a matter of taste. You can add more if you want it spicy. Once the onions start change color, translucent, and before they're completely brown, add in your tomatoes, chopped very fine. We are making just the prawn curry today, the prawn caldine, but along with the prawn, you can also use vegetables like okra or tenli or kundru. Also, you can use ash pumpkin or bottle gourd. They go very well with this curry. You can also make only a vegetable curry with this if you don't want to use prawns. So it's completely vegetarian and vegan as well. Tomatoes to get absolutely mushy. And then we add, once the onions and tomatoes are really well cooked, then you add the masala, the ground masala. You wait till the curry starts to bubble. Now it's been bubbling for a little while, so the curry is cooked and the raw smell of the masala is gone. So we add in our prawns one by one. Prawns cook very quickly, so never overcook them. They take just a couple of minutes, and once the color changes and they start to curl over like this, then they're already almost cooked. So just wait till all of them are cooked. prawns are cooked now, you can see. If you leave them too long, they'll get rubbery. And while they stay in the gravy, they'll get completely cooked, so don't overcook them. And now that the prawns are done, gently pour in the thick coconut milk and immediately lower the flame. The little bit of coconut milk that you add at the end gives it a nice flavor. So there you are. You can have it with a nice hot bowl of steaming rice.